Ani, bonjour, hello everybody.
It's exciting times for the Anishinaabe Nations.
As Anishinaabe people, we had our own forms of government and ways to help our own people.
The federal government policies and programs we have been operating under are not working for us. Our leaders have been saying for years we want out of the Indian Act. We are now at a place where we can begin to make this happen.
The governance agreement is an agreement between Canada and the Anishinaabe Nation.
What people need to know is that, what are the kinds of lawmaking powers that are recognized under the agreement? So the first one is elections. So this will give us the authority to elect our leadership under our own election laws. Citizenship is really important. Having the power recognized to develop our own citizenship laws and, of course, generate our own citizenship lists. Culture is important because, the cultural ceremonies we use when we govern ourselves, our eagle staff, our sunrise ceremony, our medicines, our belt. This last one is just having our own power to do things that other governments do, like have a Financial Management Act.
This governance agreement with Canada will formally recognize what we have always known, that we have the right to govern ourselves.
We would control what kind of actions that happen in our community, what kind of laws.
If we can get back to that, everything in our culture will lead us to a good life.
So what we've been able to negotiate and ultimately change in this agreement is a substantial increase in funding, actually a 7-fold increase in funding. What that money means is the capacity now for you to start dreaming about what it is you want governance to look like.
The Indian Act solidified the government's role in the lives of our people and still affects us to this day. But let us not forget that moving beyond the Indian Act is not the end in itself, but rather a means to an end. That end being more prosperous nations where all of us play active roles in our systems of governance, with our people enjoying a better quality of life.
There's a vote on the agreement coming up in the next few months, so it's really important that people have a better idea of what it is they're actually voting on.
People living in the communities, pay attention. Pay attention to what's happening. This is a good thing. Get out and vote.
It's going to be a big change and it's going to be for the better.
We are so capable.
We're in this amazing story that's happening right now, and we have an opportunity to make changes. We have an opportunity to shape what that future will look like.